How to verify your Exness.com account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to learn how you can verify your Exness account so that you can unlock full feature, watch the video till the end. First of all, launch open any web browser and type in exness.com in the URL box and search. Make sure that you're logged in to your exness.com account by entering your credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go to the top right corner and look for this complete profile button and click on it. You'll then come across this page where you need to confirm your email, confirm your phone number, and add your profile information. Click on Get Started Now and follow through the instructions. First step is to confirm your email. Go open up your email inbox in order to receive the verification code. After you do that, click open the email from exness.com where it says email verification and copy the code. Get back to the confirm your email tab and paste in the code. And then next, you'll need to confirm your phone number. Click the confirm phone button and enter your valid phone number on the next page. Now click on continue. You'll now also need to verify your phone number via SMS. Go ahead and type in the SMS code that you received. Once you are done, your phone also will be added. Now click on the Complete Now button and follow through the on-screen instructions. On the next page, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, date of birth, country of birth, your gender, and your residential address and click Continue. You'll need to go ahead and fill in all of the information along the way, so go ahead and do it quickly. Answer some of the question. You'll need to do a lot of answering over here. After you follow and fill in all of those information, you need to get ready to provide your verification ID. You can upload your passport, citizenship, national ID, or your driver's license. Finally, acknowledge all of these boxes over here and click Submit. And then click on Verify Identity Now. Now get ready to upload one of your government issued document. Go ahead and check your name and click on Upload Documents. And now you can upload your driver's license, passport, or any document you have that is written over here. Make sure to take a photo of your ID document. Upload the front of your document and click on Submit Document. And then you'll need to upload the back side of your document. And then once you submit the document, it takes a few hours to a couple of days and you'll get email notification once you are verified from Exness. Make sure to use your real details. Make sure that the name matches your documents. Avoid blurry or cropped images, and that's how you verify your Exness account quickly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.